can you just let us know how you can actually get your income insurance or your life insurance set up through your super fund and not have it as part of the super fund?
Yeah, so how they're doing it, the insurers these days, is you're able to fund your insurances through your super fund, but you'll technically hold a super fund with that insurance company. Your investments will still stay with wherever your super fund is with the time. If you want to put more money towards that super fund, you'll use it there. Your employer will still put money towards it. As I said, your investments will stay there as well. These other super funds purely there for your insurances. So what happens on an annual basis, that insurance company will say, we need $1,000, whatever the premium is from, and ask that from your super fund. That money will transfer from one super fund to another, sit there and pay for your insurances, and the same thing will happen next year and every year after that.
So that realistically means the super fund that the insurance company sets up won't have any investments in it or anything. It's just a shell, and it's just got the insurance in it.
Yeah, correct. So there's no extra, what you'll talk about is having two super funds with extra admin fees and things like that and having your investments across to it. It's not the case. It's a very common question we get. It's set up as a shell. There's no extra fees outside of the regular insurance ones and everything that's already listed. So you're good to go in that factor.
So you guys can set that up with whatever insurance company. Do all insurance companies allow you to set up this shell or the super ownership?
Yeah, every insurance company that will be able to recommend to you will use that. A lot of your direct insurances won't be able to do that, and you won't be able to do that directly with the insurance companies either. So that's a thing that you'll have to seek an advisor for.
And in theory, if you've got your super fund with AustralianSuper, ART, Aware Super, CBUS, whatever, you can set it up so that stays there. Your employer contributions go into there, it has all your investments, but the insurance policy that you set up, it's in its other fund, and each year it automatically pulls the premium across.
Yeah, correct. So there's a form you'll fill in when you're doing it that will allow, it's called an enduring rollover, that basically allows it every year. So if you're on holidays one year and your insurance premium's due, you don't have to do it manually. It's not something that you it'll automatically happen. There's only a few super funds that don't allow it, and there's some funky government ones. But yeah, for 99% of Australian super funds will allow you to do it this way. And if you decide that your investment super fund isn't for you, and you decide, perfect, I want to go somewhere else because they've got better investments or whatever you come up with, you will just need to let the insurance company know, hey, this is where my super's with now. Can I refill in the form and say, this is where I need to take the premiums from, rather than if you had your insurances within your super fund, you're looking at redoing your insurances, and that comes with all different myriad of stuff.